Welcome! Today, we're going to be filming a video to hopefully get my little sister on America's Got Talent. Introducing the one and only Zoe the Burp Box!
Hold her finger. Hold my sister's finger. It's perfectly safe.
Katie, hey Katie, pull my finger.
Do that to them.
Pull my finger!
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, burp dancing. The burp ballerina.
Hey guys!
And now,
Smells in here.
stop. Everything I touch I burp.
That's disgusting!
Time for the great finale. Burp spinning around. And hope you liked the video.
Wait, it's not 5 minutes long.
Hope you liked the video. Oh wait, OPS wants a turn. If you can get this knife out of LPS's hand.
You guys are weird.
Do it again. Oh, pull. Okay, put your finger out to the crowd so they can pull it. Hold her finger. Thank you for pulling her finger. Okay, now we got some more burps up.
It stinks in here.
It kind of smells like brownie.
Smells like enchilada.
It's okay.
It smells like expired enchilada sauce.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, do it again.
Yeah, it smells like enchiladas. Smells like enchiladas in here. The 7 C's.
So here's the DS thing you ordered. Here you go.
She had enchiladas for lunch.
I'll be right back, guys. I have to go get a drink.
Okay, I'm back from getting a drink, and here we go.
No. Okay,
Remember, whose channel was it? I don't care.
sorry.
She might be saying excuse me at the end of this video.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below. I know how much you like our videos. Oh, and really quick, one thing to say to you. You can
Don't try this at home.
And then the last
Don't try this at home, kids.
the last thing. We have one last thing. Peace out. I hope it's okay. We never say that. I know how You guys can give a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It matters to you guys, but not us. So bye guys, stay awesome, whatever you guys say, whatever the